Hey guys, it's Kristen. Today's video is going to be on my blush collection. I did my makeup collection and I went, I just showed some of my blushes and stuff, so I thought I would do an overview and a couple. I'm not going to swatch everything, but I'm going to do a couple of swatches, and if you want like an in-depth review or swatches on any of the blushes that you see today, please let me know in the comments below. But I'm going to show you all my blushes, and I'm also going to do a top, I think, 7 blush video after I make this one. So yeah, here are all of my blushes, and I keep them in one of my drawers that I have in my makeup cart thing. So yeah, and I've got them spaced out. So I have 2 of the smaller plastic bins, and then I have 1 long one. So in the front I have, that aren't in like bins, I have 2 of the NYC blush cream sticks, and these are really good quality for the price. This one is Plaza Pink, and this is one of the popular ones, and it's permanent color from them. And I actually have 4 of these, but the other 2 I don't really have out because I don't wear them that often. And then this one is Pink Flash, which is really bright, and I think I'm going to wear this one tomorrow because I forgot about that one. And I guess I'll just show you the other 2 if you want to see them. They're very similar in color, if you can see that. This one is Berry New Yorker. And I don't really go into these too often. And this is South Saint Seashell. And I think I'll keep this one out, but not Berry New Yorker, because I'm not a big fan of that one. But those are the colors, and they're really creamy and really nice feeling on the skin. So I've got those, and then I have an NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer in Sunny. Looks like this. And this is like a matte bronzer that you can buy at the drugstore. It's really good. And then I have, well, I had 4. Where'd the other one go? Oh, there's one. No. Yes. This is very difficult right now. Okay. I got this. So I've got 4 CoverGirl Cheekers blushes. This one is Perfect Pink. Then I have Pretty Peach. I do wear these blushes quite a bit, and then this one is Brick Rose, which I love this color. See, now I want to wear this one tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to wear. And then this one is, I think this is called Natural Twinkle, maybe? I don't know. I made a dent in that one, if you can see. Okay, and then in the back small bin, I've got a lot of MAC blushes in here. I have Trace Gold, which is a sheer tone shimmer blush. It's very bronzy. I have Well Dressed, which is a very light kind of baby pink. It's a satin finish from MAC. I love this color, but it doesn't have very much pigmentation. Then I have Personal Style, which is one of the beauty powder blushes. It's kind of like a brown. I don't wear that one too often. It was the first MAC blush that I got. Then I have Hypness, which is my favorite. This is like a corally, pinky, peachy, hot pink with some golden shimmer. It's a frost. Then I have her Blooming Cheek, which came out in the Tartan Tail collection. This is satin, like Well Dressed. It's like a fuchsia, and you can see those blue undertones or purpley undertones in that one. And then I have So Sweet, So Easy, which is one of the cream blend blushes from the Lily Pulitzer collection, in Lilyland collection, I guess you could call it. And this is a really pretty color. I'll swatch this one. Isn't that pretty? And these are really creamy, so. And I think they made these permanent now. I'm not exactly sure. And then I just have a Smashbox blush in here. This is Flush. This is their Blush Rush in Flush. And I really like them because they've got this cool little mirror here. But here's the product. It's very pretty light pink, just like Well Dressed. But this one actually shows up when you swatch it. And this one has like some silver shimmer. But it stays on your face like all day. And then I also have a NYX blush in here, and this is called Stone. This is really, okay, so it's one of those colors that looks kind of ugly in the pan, but it's gorgeous on your cheeks. I love this color. I also use it for contouring, but I also use it as a berry color for my cheeks. And then in this one right here, I have even more blushes and highlighters, and I also have bronzer in here, so I'll point out the bronzers. So I have the Hawaiian Tropic Shimmer Effect After Sun, and I know that this is for your body, but I love it as a face highlighter on my nose and on my cheekbones. It's a really pretty gold color. And then I have a mini Makeup Forever HD blush in number 6, which is, I think, is called Quickie. I'm not exactly sure. Looks like that. I'll swatch this. I'm sorry, I'm like swatching all the cream blushes and I just realized it. Okay. I need a really small amount of this. Sorry, it has a pump and I'm trying not to get too much. Yay. They're kind of like tacky, if that makes any sense. Like they're very, they're not sticky. Like, it's kind of hard to work with and kind of hard to explain. This color right there. But yeah, that's that. Then I've got a Clinique blush in Cupid, which is one of my favorites. It's like a pink. And then I only have like one peach blush, and it's this one, and this is Secret It Girl by Essence, and this is their Silky Touch blush. I like this color too, and it's very pigmented. Then I've got my Maybelline Mineral Power Blush, which is in my top 10 products under $10 video, and it's really pretty. It's in gentle pink, and this has like a sifter, and it's got some golden shimmer to it, and I really like it. Then I have my MAC Just a Pinch Gel Blush. It's actually a really pretty berry color. Like, it looks like this, and then you put it on and you just kind of sheer it out. It's a really pretty berry color. It gives you a really nice flush, and it stays on for a really long time. And then the last things that I have in this container are the bigger MAC face powders or beauty powders or whatever. I have one of the MSFs in here. This is Perfect Topping. Looks like this. It's a really pretty mix and blend of colors. It kind of looks like one of those Laura Geller face powders, and this is just kind of like an all-over highlight that you can put on. Then I have the Marine Life Highlight Powder, which is from last year's To the Beach, and I use the gold part. Then I've got two beauty powders. I have Her Own Devices. If it will focus, I have Her Own Devices. Maybe if I just hold it here for as long as I can. Okay, whatever. But it looks like this. And it's like that NYX blush. It looks very boring and dumb, but it's beautiful. I have to be honest. I love this blush. And I use it a lot, even though it looks like I haven't used any of it. I use this quite a bit. And this is Shell Pearl. And this is a really pretty light pink. I know my blushes kind of look all the same, but they're very different. Like, they've got all different things about them. Like, they're all very unique in my opinion. Okay, so then I've got my my bigger, longer drawer. And in the back, I've got my Coralista Boxed Powder, which is a I have to be honest, I'm not a fan of this. I don't wear this a lot. I've had it for a year. It looks the exact same as when I bought it. And, well, my mom actually bought this for me for my birthday. But, I mean, it doesn't look any different. And I wore it yesterday just to kind of wear it. But, you know, I wasn't really happy wearing it. And then I've got Hoola bronzer. And I love the Hoola bronzer. It's like my all-time favorite. Looks like this. Just a matte bronzer. I'm wearing it right now, as I always am. I also have the Virgin Isle cream color base, and it's going to get summer. That's why I have this. Kind of reminds me of summer. Looks like this. It's very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. It's like too pigmented for me to wear. It was kind of a bad purchase on my part, because it's like too vibrant. Then I've got two of the e.l.f. Studio blushes. I've got Pink Passion, which is like a matte pink. And if you look at it, which you can't exactly see in this lighting, yeah, you can. It fades, like it's darker here and then it fades down. You can kind of see that. And it's weird because it's only mine that like, it's like a blush ombre. I don't know what's up with that. And then this is Gotta Glow, and this is like Albatross by NARS or something, and this is by e.l.f. And then I've got High Beam and Benetint, which you guys have heard me talk about. Then I have my Makeup Forever HD blush, full size, in number, I think, 11. It's called like Smooth Talker. It's a really light, milky pink. And then I've got NARS blushes galore. I've got 3 of them. I have Penny Lane, which is a cream. It's very nice and it's very natural. It's a very nice, pretty light pink. And to me, this really works. I can't tell if I'm in the frame or not. I'm sorry. This really works as a base for any other blush. So I like this one. And then, or wear it alone. And then this one is Dolce Vita, which is a really pretty kind of fall color. It's a dark matte berry shade. It's very pigmented. And this one is Deep Throat. A light pink with some peachy shimmers. And then lastly, I have my NARS Laguna bronzer, which looks like this. Nice light brown shimmery color. So those are all of my blushes. I hope that you guys enjoyed my blush collection, and I'll see you soon. Bye!